Hello, I'm John Hill, Executive Director of the NCPP Foundation, and I'm here today to spotlight our Increasing Patient Access to Care strategic initiative, which has been supported by a generous donation from our friends at GoodRx since 2022. We believe community pharmacists are a vital piece to increasing patient access to care, and research funded through the NCPP Foundation is helping to confirm this. I'm going to turn it over to Scott Pope to share more about how GoodRx is supporting this initiative.
Hello, I'm Scott Pope, Chief Pharmacy Officer and Head of Clinical Engagement at GoodRx. As a licensed pharmacist for nearly 25 years, I joined GoodRx in early 2025, with my primary focus being to strengthen our relationships with pharmacists, physicians, and other stakeholders who play an essential role in shaping a patient's healthcare journey. GoodRx is proud to support the research through the NCPP Foundation and its work to help patients access life-saving medications. We know increasing patient access to care can mean a lot of things. The research projects GoodRx has supported range from seeking to improve pharmacy and clinical data interoperability, to streamlining REMS programs, to measuring the value of pharmacists operating at the top of their professional licenses. One grant investigated Rx change messages within the NCPDP script standard to evaluate the impact of its use by pharmacists on cost savings and patient safety. Findings indicated that pharmacists' use of Rx change to communicate medication recommendations improve time to proper therapy and further demonstrates the importance of pharmacists on healthcare teams. Empowering my fellow pharmacists to work at the top of their license is a personal passion. Further, the role of pharmacies is critically important as they're often positioned to provide patient care in what would otherwise be healthcare deserts. They offer specialized services such as point-of-care testing, chronic disease counseling, compounding, and more. We're proud to have recently launched the Community Link program for independent and community pharmacies. Our goal with Community Link is to support the retail pharmacy business model, enabling independent pharmacies to direct contract with GoodRx, to manage their participation in GoodRx's integrated savings program, and 3, to access over 90 brand medication deals. We encourage independent pharmacies to log into the GoodRx Community Link with their NCPDP ID at the address on your screen. We're looking forward to supporting our pharmacists as they continue to serve patients nationwide. GoodRx is excited to continue supporting the NCPDP Foundation, the research projects that are focused on increasing patient access to care and the ability of pharmacists to improve patient outcomes.
As you can see, pharmacists play a critical role to increase patient access to care. With funding from organizations like GoodRx and donations from industry stakeholders like you, we can fund more research that guides industry innovations and bridges gaps in quality care, empowering pharmacists to fully integrate into the healthcare team to provide you and your loved ones the care you need to live your best lives. With a donation to the NCPP Foundation, we can support future grants. Scan this QR code to make a donation, learn about our grants and progress, and read recent research results. I can't wait to see what we do together next.